Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach here at Leisure Time Sales in PUMA, and today we are taking a look at a 2019 PUMA 32FBIS. Beautiful family camper here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. If you're looking to get into something big and seasonal, this is certainly it. I mean, you're not quite the size of a park model, but with the unique floor plan on this one, you can see you've got a campside slide that's going to give you your island kitchen. You've got a front kitchen on the outside of this unit that's going to give you a cool bunk room in the front, and then the main bedroom, of course, is at the back, and that's on a slide as well. Let's take a look at the inside of this beautiful camper. Again, just a great setup for a long-term seasonal. Certainly with the right vehicle, you could tow this unit as well. Nice big slide here on the off-camp side, gives you the U-shaped dinette as well as a comfortable love seat. You've got the island kitchen, as I'd mentioned. High-rise faucet. Everything in great condition here. You've got the two-way fridge in this one of the last years that they made the two-way propane electric combo fridges, 3-burner cooktop with an oven underneath, lots of great storage below and above, as well as pantry storage here in the kitchen area as well. Your entertainment center, you've got a electric fireplace, Bluetooth DVD system, and a TV built into this unit. Now it's all sitting right across from that comfortable love seat. Let's take a look at the bunks in the front. So at one end of the camper, you've got 3 bunks, all kinds of storage there for the kids. You've got the kickstand ladder already built in, some great storage, so that if you've got kids that are coming full-time, grandkids that come sometimes, there's room for them to keep all their stuff tucked away nice and neat, and a nice comfortable private bunk room for them when they want to get away from it all. As we head towards the back of the camper here on the left, we do have a full bathroom, good sized medicine cabinet, some storage below, foot flush toilet, and a corner shower unit as well with a skylight to brighten things up and give you a little bit of extra height. In the main bedroom, you do have a slide out. There is room for a king bed in this slide. We've currently got a queen bed in there. Depending on what you have for a preference, there is room to upgrade that mattress if you'd like. Good wardrobe storage here. Nice spot to put a TV. Little table there to set a few things on. And of course, you've got your own private entrance here in the bedroom as well. Folks, this has been a quick look at the 2019 PUMA 32FBIS here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in PUMA. This has been Jay the RV Coach reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, we've got you covered.